Hey everybody, it's Yvette, and I've been getting some messages from people who want to know where I am. This past weekend, I went to graduation for my little sister, and on my way there, somehow caught a cold. So I'm not really, oh my gosh, I'm gonna bleep that out. Not really feeling great. But I have so many boxes backed up, so after I showered, I decided I was just going to throw a little BB cream on and come on and open some of these things because, you know, even when you're sick, you still can't wait to do these things. So I do have my water. I'm drinking plenty of water. I took some Dayquil. Other than my throat hurts really bad and real cracked voice. So sorry about that, but really it's okay. You know, feeling kind of poopy. But my first thing that I'm going to open today is my Ipsy bag. Very excited to see what's inside. I'm kind of hoping for some lipstick. What you think? So let's get it open. Okay, so it looks like the whole bag everything's in the bag. There's nothing outside the bag. And here's what the bag looks like for May. That is really, really cute. I love that. I think that they're actually getting a lot better with the bags lately. This is really decorated nicely, I think. You know, for like, looks like a travel bag and everything. I really like that. So let's see what's inside. Oh, look, you guys, I just noticed. Look at the tag. It's got an airplane on it. Can you guys see that? That's really cute. Nice detail. Okay, so the theme for this month is Go There. And, you know, somebody did suggest to me that I should keep my reading glasses up here. Very good point. I think after I make this video, I'm going to go and get my reading glasses because I can never read anything that's on here. All right, well, it's not going to tell us what the products are anyway, so let's just start opening the products. The first thing is Style Sepia, Touch of Soul or something like that. So here's the packaging. And please excuse this particular fingernail. It just broke off on the airplane. It was really not fun, actually, because I didn't have any clippers or anything with me. And there's the product. It's an eyeliner, it looks like, to me. I'm sure that's what that is, because nobody in their right mind would put that on their lips, I don't think. Unless they were into golf. They might. So anyways, that looks really cool. And it doesn't scroll up or down, so that's as much as you get of the trial product, which is fine, but I think that would at least go on 2 or 3 times at least. The next thing is, now I've been getting this a lot. I don't remember what's the brand. It's like really small on there. Anyway, it's called Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. Oh, actually, you know what? I haven't had this. I think the packaging just looks the same. Do you see what I'm talking about? Like this particular packaging. I don't remember who it is. But this is different. It's an Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. Replenish, smooth, and soften. And believe it or not, because this cold is like in my chest, I can actually smell. So let me see if what it smells like. Oh, and it is a gel. It's like popping out. Oh. See, this is very difficult when I'm on my computer. It's a little gel, and let me see here. Just sort of rub it in a little bit. Actually has no smell at all. Nothing. Like, absolutely nothing. I don't even smell a hint of anything. Nope. And it feels really nice. It soaked like right in and didn't, yeah, no problem. All right, so the next thing is, oh, okay. So I've never seen this before. It's by a company called Tony Moly, and it says Painting Therapy Pack. And then there's some either Chinese or Japanese writing on it. I really don't know the difference. Serum Control Black Color Clay. And I don't know what on earth you do with this. But naturally, I will look it all up for you guys and type it down below so you know exactly what it is. I'm quite interested. And of course, I can't read the back. Apply an appropriate amount. I have no idea what that means, an appropriate amount. I don't know if it's, okay, so there's a little safety seal on it. And since it's black, I mean, I'm just assuming, and I know I shouldn't do that, but I'm assuming maybe it's some sort of charcoal product. And maybe if it's a charcoal product, it has to do with acne. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, guys, I don't know. It is totally black, whatever it is. It says therapy pack. Serum Control Black Color Clay. The color, you guys, this is terrible. I don't like getting older. I really don't. I don't know anybody who does, but you know, the colorful, something about skin correction. Okay, let me just rub it in. Okay, so it obviously, it's, I don't know. I mean, it must like clean, right? I mean, I can't imagine you'd put this on like your makeup. You know what I mean? Like, because this is something about skin correction. I'm going to go with it's for acne. That's what I'm going to go with. And, you know, if it's something different, I'm going to type that down below so you know that that was wrong. And that wouldn't be surprising. It wouldn't be the first time, and I'm sure it's not going to be the last. Okay, so the next thing is called Veneffect. It's a micro-exfoliant. That sounds lovely. Anyways, here's what it looks like. Oh, and it's upside down. That's going to make it difficult for you. And it says it's an exfoliant, so it must be for your face, I'm imagining, because it's a very small amount for you to put on your body. So where we need it, and of course a safety seal again. Love all these safety seals. Let's see. This is, okay, so this is actually a tan color. You know that charcoal thing or the black thing, whatever that was? It doesn't exactly say charcoal, it just says clay, but it smells kind of nice. It's very light, but it smells nice. So here's the Veneffect exfoliant. That's what it looks like. Oh, okay. So very small granules, very small. Definitely for your face. And it just kind of smells like, I mean, quite honestly, it sort of smells like dirt, but not like in a bad way. It's sort of in like it's cleansing way. So not bad, like earthy. It smells earthy, maybe that's what I should say. It's actually not bad, it's nice. Okay, so, and it's very, very small granules, so I can't imagine, I imagine it's really good for your face. Okay, and there's one more thing left, and yay, it's a nail polish by Ades, and it says Gel Effect. So I'm going to have to see what does that mean, because I've been seeing a lot of things on the market that are sort of new that they're saying is like a gel, but not. And because my thing with the gel, I've had gel nails before, like gel polish. The only thing I didn't like about it was just the things that you had to do to take this gel polish off, in my opinion, was really harsh, and I just didn't like that part of it. Now, as far as the staying power, I did notice that, you know, until you took it off, it almost, like, unless you kept it on forever, it wouldn't chip for a long time. Oh, guys, look, it's not dirt. It's actually like this pretty pink color. I know that the camera is not picking up how pretty that color is, but oh my goodness, that's really nice. Like, I think I can wear this for the wedding that's coming up. And it would be really, really nice. Let me try to get a couple of coats on because, you know, it's very light and dainty. So I'm not sure it's going to really show up. It's almost like, I bet I would have to have like a good 2 or 3 coats and then it would be really pretty. But look, you see how pretty that is? It's a very, very light pink. I really like that. Okay, so this is the last product that's in the Ipsy bag, and I'd love to know what you got in your bag, if you got your bag already, and you know, all these boxes and bags have been piling up at my house while I was on you know, a little short vacay, so I'm not exactly sure when it came in. But if you got yours, let me know what you got, and if you like what you have, and all that sort of thing. So I will see you guys shortly, and have a great day. Bye.